In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Asana Intelligence in your projects and workflows. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of Asana as a platform for managing your tasks and projects efficiently. The introduction of Asana Intelligence, or AI, greatly enhances this experience by automating various aspects, making project management smarter and more intuitive. So let's begin our tutorial and explore how you can leverage this tool to its fullest. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is essential to access all the features we're going to discuss. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. This is where you have an overview of your workspace, including all your projects. Navigating Asana is quite user-friendly, so if you're new to it, just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now you'll want to start by creating a new project. On the top bar of the Asana dashboard, look for the Create button and give it a click. This button is your gateway to initiating new tasks, projects, or other entities in Asana. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Project. This is where you begin configuring your new project, providing it a structure and context. After choosing Project, you'll be greeted with several options. We're going to focus on starting with a blank slate by selecting Blank Project. This choice gives you complete control over how you want to organize and set up your project, ensuring it meets your specific needs. With your blank project ready to be set up, the real magic happens when you choose to set it up using Asana AI. Click on Set Up with Asana AI. This feature harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to give you suggestions and automate part of your project creation process, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Next, you'll see a button that prompts you to generate preview. Go ahead and click on that. Asana's AI will begin working, analyzing potential task structures, and generating a preview of your project. This process might take a few moments, so let the AI do its job. This auto-generation is especially helpful in providing a structure that you might not have thought of, potentially uncovering new efficiencies. Once the AI has finished generating the project preview, take a moment to review it. If you're satisfied with what you see, proceed by clicking on Create Project. Your project is now live, and you can start adding tasks, assigning team members, and making further customizations as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully leveraged Asana Intelligence to streamline your project creation process. As you continue to familiarize yourself with this tool, you'll find it increasingly intuitive and valuable in managing your workflows effectively. Thanks for joining me, and happy project managing!